Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Stellar Lumens price prediction and Stellar Lumens news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Stellar Lumens in 2022. Stellar is a distributed open source and community-owned blockchain network. Stellar was founded by lawyer Joyce Kim and Jed McCaleb in 2014. It is used to facilitate transfers between assets. Stellar is committed to facilitating these transfers for a fraction of a penny, while striving to be an open financial system and provide people of all income levels with access to affordable financial services. Stellar's own digital currency is called Lumens XLM. To protect against spam, there is a requirement that each Stellar wallet contains at least a small amount of lumens. With lumens, users can send each other any currency, automatically converting it to any other. Stellar also supports smart contracts. $752. After plunging to its record low, the RSI saw exponential growth as it eyed to test its overbought level. Nevertheless, the ATX stood quite weak and depicted a rather fragile directional trend for near. Filecoin, Phil Bears initiated a steep downturn after breaking down from the up channel, yellow. With this fall, the alt matched its January lows and ensured the oscillation range of $16-25 since the past month. Over the last few days, Phil saw an up channel recovery that bagged in 28.08% ROI in the last 5 days. Meanwhile, the super trend continued to flash a buy signal. The immediate testing support now stood at the lower trend line of the up channel. At press time, Phil traded at $21.38. After dropping from the overbought region, the RSI headed to test its trendline support. Any close below 58 level support would be detrimental for the bulls. Also, the squeeze momentum indicator continually flashed gray dots, thus still entailing a high vol recents. Binance, the largest crypto exchange, alone saw $11.54 million worth of shorts placed on Theta futures. Rival exchange OKX had $53,000 worth. Theta hit resistance near the $3.50 level and tumbled 30 cents at the time of writing. It could fall to the $2.90 level if the selling pressure continues. The Theta token forms the backbone of decentralized video streaming service Theta Network and can be staked by those wishing to become validator or guardian nodes to earn returns. Theta allows nodes to validate transactions, produce blocks, vote on changes to the network and earn TFUEL as a reward according to the technical documents. Theta rose to as much as $3.39 in early Asian hours amid a broader revival in the crypto market. Bitcoin rallied through $44,000, while Ether, Terra's Luna, and other major cryptocurrencies have all posted gains in excess of 10% in the past 24 hours. At the time of writing, Theta is the 45th largest cryptocurrency and has a market capitalization of $3.2 billion, especially common in high-risk trading due to the volatility of assets. Of the $11.67 million in liquidation losses to Theta futures traders, one person was short $11.08 million of Theta, meaning they were betting the token's price would drop, data from analytics service CoinGlitz show. The position was liquidated as prices jumped 18% from Monday's lows of $2 to $0.2. Furthermore, the technical chart displayed an inverted head and shoulder pattern formation. Following the bullish reversal pattern, the altcoin would ascend back to the 24 cents mark. A successful breakout from this 24 cents or 25 cents resistance would trigger this pattern and plump the XLM price by another 20-25%. Since reaching its multi-year high last year, Stellar XLM dropped south toward its long-term 16 cents floor. The recent falling wedge, white-dashed break, is being taken to the next level. Weller added that smart contracts are coming to Stellar with three main considerations: safety, scalability, and equitable access. To the exec, there's nothing off the shelf that fits the bill, but Stellar is looking to launch its smart contracts by the end of 2022. And second news today about Ripple competitor announces plans to roll out smart contracts in 2022. Ripple competitor Stellar XLM is announcing plans to roll out smart contracts later this year. Stellar Development Foundation, SDF, ecosystem head Justin Rice says smart contracts will enable a new suite of products and services on Stellar. There's a lot of work to be done to get there, but at SDF we're committed to researching and shepherding the development of the code and creating community landscape. Stellar is an open network for storing and moving money. The project's native token, XLM, is used as a bridge currency between two fiat currencies when sending money abroad. XLM is trading at $0.192945 at time of writing, down 2.37% in the past 24 hours. Tomer Weller, the vice president of tech strategy at Stellar, outlines the rough timeline for smart contract implementation in a new tweet. We're aiming for a feature-complete test network by the end of 2022. Ultimately, the ecosystem will decide if and when to turn on smart contracts on Stellar. In October, the SDF announced a new partnership with the payments giant MoneyGram to use the Stellar blockchain to facilitate cross-border payments. MoneyGram had previously entered into a partnership with Ripple, a Stellar competitor, in June 2019 for foreign exchange settlements and cross-border payments. However, the payments giant suspended its use of XRP payments this past February in the wake of the U.S. Securities and Exchange to topple its long-term trend. A sustained close above its near-term liquidity range, point of control POC, would position XLM for a test of its southbound 20 EMA near the $0.2 zone. At press time, XLM traded at $0.1952. Since XLM struck the $0.8 level, it plunged to consolidate between the 19 cents 39 cents range for over 8 months. The previous bearish phase marked a down channel, white, on its daily chart as the alt lost nearly 63.4% from 10 November and hit its 13-month low on 24 February. Meanwhile, the 50 EMA, red, was a strong selling point that shunned most bullish recovery attempts. However, the mid-March bullish revival propelled a much-desired hike that halted at the 23 cents level. Since then, the sellers have reignited their sway, whilst the 20 EMA jumped below the long-term EMAs. A potential break above the $0.2 resistance would be possible if the buyers reclaim their supremacy above the POC. But before that, price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the Stellar rate will be almost 38 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 45 cents. Stellar average price prediction for the end of 2023 could be around 39 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Stellar price prediction 2024, volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Stellar could cross 65 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 56 cents. Stellar price prediction 2025, XLM has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Stellar, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of 94 cents. XLM is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of 81 cents, a minimum price of 79 cents, and a maximum price of 94 cents. Stellar price prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Stellar, XLM, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $1.19. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Stellar's maximum price could be up to $1.37 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. XLM rate prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Stellar will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, XLM is expected to have a maximum value of $2. The minimum bet could rise to $1.65 if the market turns bullish. XLM rate prediction 2028. The value of Stellar will rise, thanks to the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2028 is bullish. XLM is expected to reach a maximum rate of $2.86 by the end of 2028, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that the future of Stellar will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of XLM will be between $2.24 and $2.31 expected in 2028 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of XLM ranges from $2.24 to $2.86 for 2028.